Good morning everybody. It's Sunday morning and oh, what a wonderful day. We've woken up to this beautiful blue sky, blue water, and being the weekend, for those who've watched our videos before, we always like to start with a big old breakfast, usually bacon and eggs. Today we've got some mushrooms, hash browns, so this is what it looks like here. You've seen us prepare it all, and of course after this we go for the coffee. Bon appetit. This is our morning routine. How about you? Do you start your day with a coffee or something else? Please let us know and comment below. Tell you what, this looks amazing. So let's dig in. I always like to start with a little bit of ginger first. More yummy. And this is seaweed, Japanese style. Oh yeah, oh yeah. And let's try it out, friends. Japanese soy sauce. As you can see, they've got a lot of wasabi in there. I mean, love wasabi. Now let's.
Oh, it's gonna be hot.
It's gonna be hot. But is there any other way to eat it but hot? Let's put that in. Oh yeah. Oh, this soy sauce is fantastic.
Oh,
really nice.
nice.
Thank you to our friend very much. We're going to enjoy this. Thank you.
This is how I eat. Maybe different from Paul, but this is how I eat the oyster. Okay, I put some lemon or lime in there, squeeze some in there, and I put some of the shallot, fried shallot, just about this much.
How is it?
Very nice.
For our sushi rice, we use the Bento brand. Look, you can find this in any Asian grocery store, or where we get it, usually in Coles. That's where you'll find the best price for those in Australia. Go to Coles, you'll get it there. So this is the raw tuna. Seasoning, it's really nice when you sprinkle it on. Hoi!
Hi!
Old GoPro hasn't been working so well lately. It is a GoPro 9, so it's a number of years old, so we're having a lot of fun making these videos. So we decided we'd get some new gear. So we went out to JB Hi-Fi and saw a great guy out there called Joel who helped us get some new gear. First thing we got was the GoPro 13 Black. And better sound too. One of the things we wanted to do is get better sound. We also got the GorillaPod, as you can see. I mean, this thing's amazing. So it's a mobile vlogging kit. So we're looking forward to using everything in that and how you can use it. Look at all that gear, it's in there. So, Chidama's going to have fun. Yeah, so what else did we get today?
This is Seagate external hard drive, 5 terabyte.
Yeah, so this 5 terabyte, that's a lot of storage, so that's exactly what we need. And we also got some new SD cards.
Yeah, 2 of them.
Yeah, 256, so that should get us on the way. Eventually we'd like to get a drone or two, so we're just one step at a time. We're like baby steps, but we're happy with this gear, so we look forward to bringing you better quality videos in the near future. Now we've unboxed the GoPro 13 and Chidama's just going to show you inside what it comes with.
You got the camera, pretty compact.
Yeah, same size as our GoPro 9.
Yeah. And you got the frame. And you got the stand like this, and you can charge battery through this.
Yeah, so the battery's inside, which is something new for us, so that'll be great.
Yeah, it's on here.
It goes on top there.
Yeah.
And lasts a lot longer than the previous.
Yeah, and this battery is different from our old one.
Yeah, here's the old one.
Yeah, our old one is like this.
Slightly different shape.
Yeah, slightly different. You know, the charging point. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just to let you know that we need to get more of this.
Yeah.
And this one is the light.
Yeah, it's actually got a flashlight when you film in dark or reduced light, so that'll be good.
Yeah, look cute. And second layer.
Yeah, it's got a second layer.
Second layer is all the connection. It's same as the old one. All the connection. I got this is for the microphone.
Yeah, great in the wind.
this thing. Any cord. All the connection that you need. Little bit and bob there. Yeah. That's it.
Okay, let's take a look at the Gorilla now.
Yeah.
GorillaPod.
Okay. Come with the big tray when you get it out of the box.
Yeah, GorillaPod.
Oh.
There's a lot in here.
This microphone, just pretty big. And
this GorillaPod's meant for mobile vlogging kit.
yeah. This is the leg. Oh, look at this.
Oh, you're gonna have fun with that.
Yeah, and hang it on the tree.
Hang it on the tree. Hang it upside down.
Upside down.
Yeah. You can have a lot
More
of fun with
freedom. More freedom for.
it. It's gonna be good.
Yeah.
What else you got in there, honey?
What's that?
Oh, yep. Yeah.
It's for.
Get the GoPro in.
Yeah. And all the cord.
Yep.
The
Lots of
stuff.
cords.
Yeah. And the extra arm.
Yeah, oh good.
Yeah. The cord. Got the little bag.
A little pouch. Excellent.
The pouch for it. And the connection for GoPro.
Yeah.
And I think it's a phone as well. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Battery just, oh, it's back on again now. Just went blank.
Yeah. This is all the Gorilla tray.
Fantastic, yeah. Now, one of our favourite meals is
Unagi kabayaki.
excellent. Now, another word for that is eel. I guess most of us are familiar with unagi, but oh boy, this is delicious. So, Chidima, show us what you're going to do with that. It's really simple in preparation. So
It's from Asian shop.
yeah, and we get this quite often. If you want a quick meal, busy work, come home late. It's fantastic actually. All you need to do is put it in the microwave for a couple of minutes. We've already steamed up some jasmine rice to put this on top, and we've also got a bit of our favourite from our good friend, special Japanese soya sauce, unagi sauce, and some seafood flakes, which I'll show you. So it comes in as a...
The fridge in Silverline is really, really good. So freezing.
Look at the size of that eel. You wonder how long it was. This is a good size. It's one of the larger sizes you get. Yeah, look at that.
We cut it in a small size so you can put in a container and to put in microwave. Put the lid on. Bye bye. for watching.
If you like the video, please like and subscribe.
See you next time.